Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look that I call Wild Night Out for you guys. To start off, I'm going to be prepping my skin with this face filter blurring and moisturizing primer. I just discovered this at Ulta and decided to give it a try, so we'll see how it works out. For starters, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Simply Ageless foundation. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face with this Hourglass foundation stick in the color light beige. Help give my face that extra glow, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Mineral Glowing Pearls Bronzer Powder. To kind of make my contour stand out a little bit, I'm going to be using this number 7 bronzer to kind of go over it a little bit more, and it's in the color Caramel. Now, I don't use a lot of blush on my face. What I've been using is this blush powder in the color Candy Girl from Victoria's Secret that I've gotten like a long time ago. Now for my highlighter, I usually use this Becca powder in the color Champagne Pop, and I was really upset when I broke it, so I've been using it little by little at a time. Alright, so now we're going to be working on the eyeshadow, and I usually use tape just to kind of keep my eyeshadow lines lined up correctly. My base coat, I'm going to be using the color in my Blush by ColourPop palette called The One. In my Hue palette, I'm going to be using this caramelized color to put over my base color. Shout out to my girl Deja for getting this for me for Christmas. I absolutely love how vibrant the colors are. Next, from the same palette, I'm going to be going in with this shimmery gold color to put in the crease of my eyelid. Since I like more of a smoky eye, I'm going to be going in with this brown powder to kind of give my eyelid a smoky effect. Next, to kind of brighten up the look altogether, I'm going to be going over everything with this powder, this gold powder dust that I got also from Victoria's Secret a while ago, so you can usually find stuff like this at Ulta. Next, I'm going to be using this eye pencil to kind of go over my bottom lash line. Eyeliner, I'm going to be using this roller liner from Benefit. Give my eyeliner a smoky effect as well. I'm going to be using this Too Faced Chocolate Chip palette, which smells amazing, and just kind of going over my liquid liner with the black powder color. We're going to be applying that to my bottom lash line as well. Time to remove the tape. That same brown powder, I'm going to be going over my lash line again just to kind of give my lash line a smoky effect as well. In that same hue palette, I'm going to be using the dark pink, the bright pink color at the end here for my inner corners of my eye, just to kind of make the look all together stand out. The point where I decide whether or not I want to add more of a smoky effect to my eyeshadow, so I'm going to be doing that with the same black color from my Too Faced palette. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using this glitter stick in the color Disco Queen from e.l.f. just to put in my inner eyelid. Alright, and finally I'm going to be using my lashes to finish off the look. This is the final look all together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm hoping to post more for you as well, but if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to see more videos just like this one.